behave, and other etiquettes also. So in that again it will be addressed. But before that only, if you are doing any purchase of the dresses, you still have a lot of time to purchase the dresses, as well as in case if you are not able to buy also, you can buy. Bijapur is now having all malls, Reliance and Smart Mart and D-Mart is there. So many things are available in Bijapur. Okay. So Max is there. So don't worry about the dresses so much, because if you are having 1 or 2 pairs, it's okay. You can always have more once you come here. You should not carry more burden of this baggages of the dresses rather than other things. Okay. So I'll just tell you the again, like boys, you all know that you should have a formal shirt and pant. No jeans and t-shirts are allowed during the classes, working hours, that is 8 to 5. Okay. And no sports shoes are allowed. Then for girls, as we have given in the WhatsApp group, you have to have either 3/4 salwar kameez only, full length, right?
Ma'am, kurtis are also not allowed. Long kurtis.
Yeah. Kurtis and leggings are allowed, but long kurtis.
Yes, ma'am.
Long kurtis. And of course, apron will be compulsory for both boys and girls. And with the ID card. ID card will be provided to you once you are in the campus. So you have to wear compulsorily the ID cards and the apron. Okay. And any more clarification you would like to have?
Ma'am, will the
Excuse me,
apron
ma'am.
be given in the college?
Which one? Apron.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what we will decide in a couple of days and inform you whether apron and books kit, whether we are going to provide or you have to buy yours. Okay.
Ma'am, can we wear
Okay,
half
ma'am.
sleeve kurtis?
Yeah, 3/4 we are telling, not sleeveless.
Okay, ma'am.
Then hair should be properly tied. In that slide, it's already mentioned, because you will be doing microscopic examination. Hair should not be open for girls. It should be tied. Okay. Once you are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
class, because hairs will come in contact with blood and other materials. So you should take proper care of that. Okay. So if no more doubts are there, we can proceed. Actually, today's class was on communication skills by Dr. Kalyan Shetty sir, professor and head department of pediatrics. As sir is not well, and vaccination of COVID is going on in our BLD campus, so they are little busy on the hospital side. So the schedule was little late. So I thought of engaging with the communication skills. I think we have discussed enough, right? And we will have a role plays. Once you are in the campus offline, we will have role plays on the communication. We will show you the videos. What is good communication and what is bad communication. Okay. So just to tell you, you must have seen the picture of Anand. It's an old movie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. But acted, who are the actors?
Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes,
Rajesh Khanna.
Rajesh Khanna.
Very good, very good. So you remember the names?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see the acting, why we are quoting Anand picture is because Rajesh Khanna is suffering from leiomyosarcoma of intestine, right?
Lymphosarcoma of the intestine.
Yes. And how Amitabh Bachchan as in a doctor place, he deals with him in the communication skills, right? And how the moral support to him is given by the other family, friends and family members. Of course, he didn't have his own family in the picture, but the moral support that is extended to him, and how he takes the decision of his disease. So this is picturized very nicely in the Anand. So we take the example for communication skills Anand picture, right? So if you observe with these points in your mind, if you see once again Anand picture movie, the clippings where the dialogue between Rajesh Khanna and Amitabh Bachchan, and the other person who's whom and his wife he treats as, I don't remember the names, treats as his sisters. So that moral support given to a patient who is having a carcinoma is very important, and how they all deal with him in the communication. Even though Amitabh Bachchan, as a doctor, he knows the cause, whereas other his friend and family didn't know what is the cause for his disease. Still, Amitabh Bachchan keeps that secret. Means there is some things we cannot disclose everything to the patient or the patient relatives. Okay, unless without permission of the patient, we can't disclose. Some secrecy we have to maintain about the diseases, right? So that everything is picturized very nicely. So you can once again see the clippings only between dialogues between Amitabh Bachchan and Rajesh Khanna in the Anand movie. And any other movie, if you remember, where doctor-patient relationship is communication skill is there from your side? Yes.
Start again.
Okay. Anybody knows any other movies where a doctor-patient relationship is highlighted? One more is Munna Bhai MBBS, right? All of you must have seen. But
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see there, what happens is how lightly, in lighter way, it is in Munna Bhai MBBS, it's very lighter way, how he takes the patients and how he makes the patients to enjoy their life, right? Instead of thinking disease is a very grievance or a very painful procedure, but still, who is that Sanjay Dutt, right? He takes or he makes the life of the patients who surrounding or in the wards so cool. He creates an environment which is very cool and that can be accepted by the patient, and so many patients recover just because of that natural or whatever the this they are having against the disease beliefs, right? See, I'm having one very serious disease, so I will not be able to live longer period. Thinking like that, only patient suffers more. So it's in as a doctor, you should know to communicate with the patient, knowing the disease type of disease which the patient is having. You can make them understand that life is not so serious. Okay, whatever has come as a disease, you accept the disease and move forward, or live that part of life peacefully and enjoy that time before the end comes to you. So you should make a patient's life like that. Whatever may be the type of disease, you should give them moral support and make them understand that disease has come doesn't mean that whole life is stopped. You can still enjoy the life whatever way they can till the end comes. Okay, this is in the time where carcinoma or very dreaded diseases are there, right? So it's all a practical part. Communication skill is a practical part. Over a period of night or one night, within one night, nobody can acquire communication skills. It comes by practice. As you go on being exposed to the patients every day, you will come across, because each patient will be having their own family problems, their own different kind of problems, economical problem, right? And somebody will not be having any parents or any family members to support them. So each patient will be having different problems, and as a doctor you have to make them understand with your communication skill, let whatever may be the condition in that time period, everything can be overcome if the moral support is given to the patient, if mentally, if you make them stronger that it's okay, we are there to take care of you. Even economically also, you can help to few people whom you think they genuinely need the help, right? Like a small kid is there who has to undergo heart operation bypass, and parents are very poor, they cannot afford the money. Of course, nowadays very schemes are there from the government also, PPL card and other things. You should help them to apply the schemes, and if they don't know the procedure, we can make them to take the scheme help, and few amount also, if we wish, we can give them in that emergency condition, so that the life of that child should be survived, right? So this is all attitude, communication, ethics. This is interwoven, all are interrelated, and every day that you are going to learn one or the other point in each one of them. This starts with the first phase. You are not exposed to the patient so much of time as in second phase and third phase, but you will be dealing here. Once you come to the campus, you will be living with your friends, you will be dealing with your colleagues, mess people, and other non-teaching staff. So you should develop that rapport of proper communication skill. You should have a lot of patience. You should not have break down earlier at every minute. So these are all common things where you are going to acquire. These are acquired reflexes. What you are going to once acquire once you land up in BLD, right? Because so many of you must be staying at home till date. Not a single time you must have gone for the hostel life, right? So for such people, it's a little difficult to adjust on the in the hostel for the first time. But don't worry, everything will be adjusted. Everything can be adjusted once you are here. Okay, then you should be have a good communication with everyone. Then naturally everyone will help you, and that will help you in longer time also with the patients tomorrow. Another thing, those who are there already exposed to the hostel life, they don't face much problem. But of course, to the climate of Bijapur, food pattern of Bijapur, you will take little time to adjust. Your main aim is to study medical profession, so you should concentrate more. But basic needs, of course, we are going to provide you with all basic needs, not if not the other things. So small problems, whatever you encounter here in the adjustment, can be solved with your mentors and other higher authorities. Okay, so if you are soft in speaking and clear in your thoughts, you are going to face little problem anywhere in the world. It's not only in Bijapur, anywhere in the world. If you are having better communication skill with clear thought in your mind and pure thought, no inside and outside. So if you make them, the opposite person, realize that whatever you are talking is genuine and it's having a good reason, then problem will be automatically solved. So another important part in communication skill is you should learn Kannada, right? Local language. Because when you want to communicate with the patient, you should know. If not, we are not going to make you learn full Kannada. Only the few lines, sentences, which are very much important for the this communicating with the patient, right? Because if you ask in your language, patient may not understand the word meaning. So you can buy a Kannada dictionary. English to Kannada dictionaries are available, and some we are going to take over a longitudinal period of time. Every day Kannada classes, not every day, weekly once Kannada classes, wherein small sentences small will be taught to you. Then gradually few small incidents, how you encounter in vegetable market, how you have to deal. So few of the local language important points will be told to you. So like this, you are going to learn one more language in your lifetime who are non-Kannadigas. Of course, who are from Karnataka knows Kannada very well. There won't be much problem for them. So like that, you are going to learn every day new skill, new thought, new communication with everyone, right? So I think time is over. So next class will be started. So we can switch over to the next class. So thank you again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.